This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now. Okay, off the first floor, you don't have to take the elevator up, okay? You just come in through here, enter in the gate code here, and here is your unit. Just giving you an idea of what's around here. Trash chute, okay, but this is your entrance, unit 105. Small vestibule area, coat closet, okay, lots of sunlight. This is another bi-level unit, which is great. Okay. Hardwood floors, very high ceilings, floating stairs. Okay. So your living and dining areas are in here. Updated kitchen. Gas range, microwave, refrigerator. Again, hardwood floors throughout. stairs to the 2 bedrooms. First, closet space here. Really nice private dark bedroom where you can open up the window. It's kind of nice is that you can see in. Through the common area. Here's the full bathroom. Vanity, medicine cabinet, nicely finished tub, tile to the ceiling. Beautiful hardwood floors, a little bit bigger bedroom. A nice sized closet in here, but room for more armoires or chests, things like that. Really nice space. Nice hardwood floors. That's the unit. Let us know if you're interested. Thank you.